I'm 48 years old and I have been using the ZIIP since it first came out. Almost 10 years now, the ZIIP just released 8 new treatments on the app. On this video, I'm going to show you the app updates. I'm going to talk about the new treatments on the ZIIP and also going to show you a tutorial. So if you want to hear about my experience with the ZIIP and all the new treatments, keep on watching. Right now, ZIIP is having the best discount of the year. You can get 20% off with my coupon code. So it is the best time of the year to get the most discount on the ZIIP. So make sure to take advantage of the holiday sales. If you want to jump anywhere in this video, please make sure to use the timestamps below. Hi everyone, this is Darcy, and on my channel, I give you tips about aging gracefully. Always show you everything I'm using so you can see what works and what doesn't work. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. So now let's get to it. The ZIIP is the only microcurrent device that combines microcurrent and nanocurrent to help your skin lifting, skin quality. On my channel, I test beauty devices, I test skincare, and whenever I'm testing something, I stop everything. So that way I can show you the most accurate results from whatever I'm testing. But the ZIIP is a device that I always go back to it when I'm in between devices, when I go on trips, and has been one of the most consistent devices that I have been using for almost 10 years, and I do see amazing results. I have a lot of tutorials using the ZIIP on my channel, showing the full tutorials, lots of before and afters. So if you want to see my journey with the ZIIP, I'll leave the playlist on the description box below. One of the reasons I love the ZIIP so much is because it is so easy. It takes all the guesswork for you. You don't have to play with settings. It has a preset setting that will lift your face in 4 minutes. However, if you want to get the best results from the ZIIP, you must use the app. The ZIIP has had one of the most comprehensive and easy to use apps I have ever seen. Throughout the years, the ZIIP always update the app, adding new treatments, so you kind of feel like you're getting a new device every time they update the app. And they recently updated the app to be even more user-friendly and added 8 new treatments. Now I'm going to give you an overview of all the treatments on the ZIIP, how to get the best results from the app, and also some tips that I learned along the way from using the ZIIP for almost 10 years. The ZIIP app is amazing because it tells you exactly how to use your ZIIP, and whenever you choose a treatment, it has all the settings preset. The ZIIP app has 17 different treatments. I know it can be overwhelming, but the new update actually tells you exactly what it does according to your needs. Every treatment shows you the full video tutorial, so you can follow along with the tutorial as I'm going to show you at the end of this video. They changed the name of the treatments and make it even easier to browse to find exactly what you need. You can actually search super easy, and you can search by anti-aging, skin health, skin prep, which you're going to go and show you an overview as well. For example, if you press anti-aging, it's going to show you all the anti-aging treatments. There's the 4-minute facial, and on this treatment is going to give you 4 minutes of microcurrent and nanocurrent to give you an instant lift. It's an amazing treatment for you to do when you're preparing for a party, when you're trying to get ready for a night out, a date. It gives you that instant results and also long-term results. This is also the treatment that is preset on the ZIIP. So if you turn on your ZIIP, this is the treatment that you usually get, and it's 4 minutes, but I love that you can also select on the app so you can see the full tutorial. A tip from when using any of the treatments of the ZIIP: whenever in doubt, just up and out. Now they have, this is a new treatment, it's specifically for the neck. They didn't have this treatment before, and this treatment is a 6-minute treatment to help smooth the neck and necklines. I haven't tried this treatment, so I'm super excited to try it out, and it's only 6 minutes. And again, super excited. And the Everything Facial is a 12-minute treatment that combines microcurrent and nanocurrent. And this one is if you want to try a little bit of everything for lifting, for firming, for skin quality, because whenever you combine microcurrent and nanocurrent, you're not only lifting, but the nanocurrent addresses skin quality, skin brightening, and the firming and collagen. So nanocurrent is actually amazing for continuous use, and you see results even better with continuous use. And also they have the eye treatment, which helps with crow's feet, fine lines, and deep puff and eye bags is also a new treatment where they're combining the deep puffing, the eye lifting, and also the eye smoothing all in one treatment. So again, makes it super easy to know what you're going to get with the treatment that you select. And also they have the jowl treatment, which helps to contour your jowls and firm the jawline. And it is a 3-minute treatment. So that is the anti-aging menu. So if you press anti-aging again, that deselects it, and then select skin health. For the skin health, we have a lot of new treatments here. This sun damage is a new treatment, which I'm really excited. As I'm getting older, I'm getting a lot of hyperpigmentation, especially from the sun. This has been a struggle with this one, so I'm excited to try that one on this sun damage here, which is been there for a long time. It gets lighter, but never goes away. So this is the type of treatment you can do, is spot treating. For example, if I want to spot treat in this one, I will use the sun damage treatment on this area only. So I'm excited to try that out too, and I'll keep you guys posted. But my experience using the ZIIP is that whatever it tells you it does if you use consistently. On the skin health, you also have the collagen boost, which is powered by nanocurrent, which again, anything nanocurrent helps your skin quality. This is a one-step stop facial to lock in long-lasting results. This treatment is all about treating every part of the face and neck to help spark new collagen, achieve a new level of glow, and ultra-soft skin texture. You won't feel a thing, you will notice the next day. Collagen Boost treatment uses nanocurrent only, and you can use all over the face and neck. And what I love about nanocurrent is that it's a continuous treatment that is very gentle. You don't feel a thing, but it does work over time. And you actually see better results the next day, which is really interesting. But the more you use nanocurrent, the more you see results of your skin quality and gives you a beautiful glow. If you want to see the long-term effects of nanocurrent, I have a great playlist for you guys with lots of before and afters. It's my 30 days to your best skin of your life. I'll leave the playlist on the description box below. And I use the ZIIP consistently for 30 days with the nanocurrent, and you can see the before and afters of the 30-day, how my skin is glowing. And that is thanks to nanocurrent, and no other microcurrent device gives this glow. So definitely, if you're looking for collagen production and a beautiful glow, Collagen Boost is definitely a treatment you should try. Tone Corrector helps overall skin tone, and it combines microcurrent with nanocurrent. The Skin Barrier Repair is a new treatment which I'm excited to use. I have extremely sensitive skin, I have rosacea skin, acne prone, and my skin barrier is very sensitive. So sometimes just using the wrong moisturizer, the wrong acid, or even makeup can cause a bad reaction to my skin. So if you suffer from skin barrier issues, if your skin is hypersensitive, this is a good treatment to try out. And this is powered by ultra gentle nanocurrent and repairs the skin on a cellular level and supports the skin natural healing. So that is the skin health menu and all the treatments that are included in here. So now let's skin prep menu. You're going to have lymphatic drainage, which is also a new treatment. Lymphatic drainage helps to depuff your face, helps to detox your skin, and is actually a great treatment to combine with other treatments for even better results, because when you do lymphatic drainage before any of the other treatments, it actually boosts up the other treatments. So that is a tip for you guys. This is a great treatment to combine first and then use another treatment from the app to get even better results. Encourages fluid movement, it calms swelling and leaves the skin instantly sculpted. It helps to depuff and sculpt your face and uses microcurrent. There's the Instant Facelift. This one gives you instant and long-term results. It uses microcurrent only, helps to contour and lift your cheeks. And this is a great treatment to use before your makeup, or when you're going to an event, or when you're tired at the end of the day and you still need to go out and you feel like you look super exhausted. This is a great treatment to do. It is only 6 minutes, so it's a really quick treatment to just get it done before you need to go out. The lip treatment is actually one of my favorite treatments from the app. It was on the previous app before, and it gives you instant plumping. You can see the volume of lip increasing because it helps with the circulation. So it actually gives you the instant plump, no fillers needed, which is amazing. And with consistent use, you can see the fine lines around your lips fading. And a tip for you guys about this treatment is to actually do it twice if you want extra plumpness, and the plumpness does last you. And with continued use, you can actually see long-term results, but I love that it gives you instant results as well. The sculpt treatment is 6 minutes, and it actually gives you that natural sculpting with no makeup necessary. So if you want to get an extra snatch look before you go out on an event, a great treatment to do before you do your makeup as well, to really sculpt your face. Using the power of muscle tightening microcurrent, it helps to sculpt specific areas of your face to give you an instant sculpt and an instant snatch. On the ZIIP With Me series, I have done all these treatments. So I'm also going to leave the ZIIP With Me series on the description box below if you actually want to see the full tutorial. The sculpt treatment is only 6 minutes and actually tightens the muscle underneath to give you the extra sculpting. You can actually choose the area of your face that you need extra sculpting. One of my favorite treatment is the plump treatment. It's only 2 minutes. And this helps to fill the hollowness on your face. This is a very unique treatment because most microcurrent devices don't help with skin plumpiness or skin volume. So if you're looking for skin volume, if you have hollowness under your eyes, your cheeks are not as plump as they used to be, this is a great treatment to use to see instant and long-term result on skin volume. So this treatment, you can focus on specific areas of your face that you want more plumpiness, such as your cheeks, under the eyes, any area of your face that you want extra plumpness, you can use this one. And before they created the lip treatment, I used to use this on my lips as well. So it's an extra tip for you guys. If you want extra plumpness anywhere, use this treatment. Reverse the loss of volume in your skin and achieve a plump, pillowy look with smooth microcurrent vibrations. Focus on the areas you feel that you have hollowness over time and restore their fullness. The Problem Skin menu addresses problem skin such as acne, has 3 treatments, which is the clear skin. And this is the former problem solver. I actually am acne prone, and this is one of my favorite treatments. Heal your acne, prevent acne with continuous use. If you struggle with a full face of breakouts, this is the treatment for you. And now this is a new treatment. It's called Pimples. The pimple treatment is a 2-minute treatment and is more of a target treatment to specifically pimples. So this is a good spot treatment for pimple. And this is how to clear a pimple with 60 seconds of powerful microcurrent and 30 seconds of gentle nanocurrent. And this is a new treatment called Heal. So this is a Heal treatment that is only 1 minute, and it helps with acne scars or the redness or inflammation that you have with acne. And this soft waves and nanocurrent work gently to treat scarring and redness. Repeat the treatment if you have multiple areas to treat. So if you have an acne, especially cystic acne, when you kind of have an inflammation in general, like the whole area is just really red or inflamed, or if you have rosacea, this is a great treatment to use to help calm the skin, calm the inflammation. Is only 1 minute treatment. So this is a great treatment and is one of the newer ones that they have added. So excited to try that out because I do have rosacea skin and I do tend to get cystic acne a lot. And of course, you can still treat the cystic acne with the spot treatment or the clear skin one, but I find that this is probably going to be a great one when I'm just aggravated on the whole area and I need some healing. So that is a great treatment for that as well. Another feature of the ZIIP app that I really love is the plans. The plans really take the guesswork of figuring out what treatment you should do, what day you should do, and it gives you specifically things that you can achieve. So the app will tell you exactly what to do, what days, when to take a break, and you can choose the plan that best fits your needs. For example, the best skin of your life in 30 days, it gives you a 30-day complete plan. It tells you every single thing you need to do every day, and you can follow along with the app. It gives you reminders. I actually did this best skin of your life in 30 days as a challenge, and I show you lots of before and afters so you can see what I achieved using the ZIIP in 30 days and using this plan, which is actually one of my favorites. But if you want to do something shorter, there is a skin barrier rebuild, which is a new plan, which is really cool because it's in 14 days. You can help to recover your skin barrier. And again, it tells you what to do every single day. The breakout fix is a 7-day plan, is also a new plan, which is amazing if you have acne prone skin to do the breakout fix. It guides you how to get the best results for your acne. Glass skin plan is a 14-day plan and it focuses on giving the extra glow. Your non-surgical face is a 14-day plan to give you that instant lift as well as long-term lift, and you can achieve amazing results in 14 days. The Skin Tone Reset plan is a 30-day plan that is great if you have unevenness on your skin, dark spots, sun damage, and you do it in 30 days to help you achieve even toned skin. The Vent Countdown is a great plan if you have a wedding or the holidays or a date that's coming up to get the best results for 7 days. I love the plans menu because it gives you a guide. So it's a great way to start and get an experience from all the treatments that is specifically for your needs, or you can always choose the treatment menu, a great way to do the treatments individually, according to your time and according to your needs. It's one of the reasons I love the ZIIP app because it has something for everybody, so it can help you guide you through, or if you just want to do it on your own and experience the app on your own, you can choose the treatment menu. And you can combine the treatments as well to make your own. Now I'm going to show you a demo from one of the app treatments so you can see how to sync your ZIIP and follow the instructions on the video. It's important to know that the ZIIP is not synced to the video, so you can always pause the video, go back to it if you want to get more instructions. And the ZIIP treatment only starts when you touch the skin, and then it's going to light up and the treatment is going to start. Make sure you have your Bluetooth on before you start your ZIIP. And once you select the treatment that you want to use, you just need to sync with the ZIIP and then follow the instructions on the video. So let's select everything facial. I'm going to be using the ZIIP Silver Gel, which is amazing for acne-prone skin, for sensitive skin. It's actually one of my favorite gels. Make sure you apply the gel all over your face. So click Start Treatment and then press the power button on your ZIIP. And then make sure that your ZIIP is very close to your phone so that way it can sync. And as you can see, the video shows the area that you're going to be treating. Melanie Simon is actually the creator of the ZIIP, and she's going to be on all the videos showing you exactly the moves you need to do. I sped up the treatment for this tutorial so I can kind of give you some tips and instructions, but I will also do a real-time tutorial on another day on another video. Things to keep in mind when you're doing this treatment is to avoid the thyroid area, and on the first part of the treatment, you also avoid the immediate under eye area. But Melody guides you all the way through, giving explanations of every part. This is the Everything Facial and is a 12-minute treatment. It's actually a new treatment, and she starts on the neck and goes up. She actually starts working the lymphatic drainage, and then it goes to microcurrent, and then it goes to nanocurrent. She uses different currents and different settings, and again, all the settings are preset, so you don't have to do anything, and she tells you exactly when the current's changing and when the setting's changing, so you will be able to follow along with the video as she guides you all the way. And I also love that this treatment combines microcurrent and nanocurrent, so this incorporates everything. And when you're using the nanocurrent, you can actually even use it on the lids itself, which is really great. And again, the nanocurrent will help not just with the skin quality, wrinkles, brightening, and also collagen production. She repeats exactly the same thing on the next side, and she even gives you some other newer suggestions so you can follow along and see which movements address better your needs. Overall, the tutorials on the ZIIP are very user-friendly and also tailored to your needs. So you can follow along with Melanie, learn all the movements, but ultimately, whatever in doubt, just go up and out and you should do just fine. And I love that you have the guidance of Melanie all the way through, so it's kind of having a professional esthetician with you, giving you amazing tips. And again, I will do a real-time tutorial with this treatment as well, so you can do along with me, and we can have even more tips. So make sure you keep an eye on my channel for my Zip With Me series, so you can zip with me. This upgrade is definitely really impressive, and I love the new treatments. If you're interested on the ZIIP Halo, I do have a coupon code, and I always leave that on the description box below. Right now is the best discount of the year. You can get 20% off with my coupon code, so make sure to take advantage of the holiday sales. And if you have any questions, please make sure to comment below. I love hearing from you guys. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video if it helps you. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!